Hi, welcome to my channel Makeup by Tih-Vuh-Shik. My name is Karolina and today I like to show you a simple daytime look. So if you're interested, please take your cuppa and keep on watching. So right now I have nothing on my face, only my skincare and SPF, and I use Nivea Pearly Shine chapstick on my lips and all oil absorbing sheets from Boots. I always do this because I've got combo skin, quite oily in the T center. So right now I will spray my face with Skandinavia makeup finishing spray. Let it soak, just to prep my skin and stop oil a bit. So now let's get to eyes. I use a primer from BeYu. All over my lids with my fingers. Everything is blended nicely. I'll let it dry a bit. And now I'll do my brows, and I will use Dr.Hauschka eyeshadows just to do my brows. The darker shade, it's called, it has no name, it's Eyeshadow Duo No7 and it's a second shade, number 2. And for this I will use brush number 322 Brow Line. I will just fill in my brows. I don't like them to be too dark. I prefer to keep them natural. I will keep my brows in place with Miss Sporty Just Clear Mascara, which is a clear gel. With same brush from Zoeva 322, I will do my eyes now. And for this I will use Maybelline New York Color Tattoo 24 hours in a shade, what shade is this? It's a gel cream eyeshadow, but what is the name of it? Oh, 55 Immortal Charcoal. So I will use that one only on my eyelashes line. It doesn't have to be perfect, might be smudgy. I need to do a little bit of a cat eye because I've got hooded eyes. And I want to hide this a little bit. I'll just do a massive eyeliner with this gel cream eyeshadow. I'm not like charcoal mixed with greenish shade, like so. And now, I will smudge it a little bit with Luxe Crease brush number 228 from Zoeva, because I don't want it to be so harsh. Anyway, I'll put eyeshadow on top of it, but I want to smudge it a little bit anyway. Now I will use eyeshadow from Clinique. It's in shade Dark Denim. It's like this. And with the same brush I'll put this on top of this liner. I will smudge it with brush 200 from Real Techniques. I will take this a little bit up here just to cover my hooded eye, like so. And smudge on the lash line just to keep it quite natural and undone. Okay, I just noticed that I haven't recorded this, so I'm curling my eyelashes, and I used before Dr.Hauschka number 2 shade from 07 palette, this darker one in my crease with Real Techniques 200 brush. I'm going to show you because I thought it is recording just in my crease here. If you've got hooded eyes, you should use this like 2 milliliters above your crease, just like me, and if you have normal eyes, you can use it in your crease. So now time for mascara. But before, I will use Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer, this purple one, which is pore minimizing, and I will use it in my T-zone because my pores are terrible lately. I'm trying new systems of treating my acne skin, that's why I've got a couple of new breakouts, but hopefully I will get there sometime. Forehead, I got quite dehydrated skin from benzoyl peroxide and retinoids, and a little bit on my chin. Yeah, and now I will use mascara from Bourjois. It's Push Up Glamour Mascara. Push Up Volume Glamour Ultra Black Edition Mascara. You can't make it longer, can you? Okay. So now, can you see? Yeah. I've got quite long eyelashes because I'm using gel treatment. I can't tell it's making my eyelashes, oh god, no, much longer. It just keeps them in place. Okay, I forgot to use my pore minimizer on my nose where pores are humongous. Now lower eyelashes. Okay, so time for skin, and lately for daily makeup I use Mineral foundation, and I've been using them on and off, many different foundations, mineral foundations from different brands, and they always work amazing at the start, but then after a month I get millions of breakouts and tiny dots. But I'm trying right now Mineralshack foundation. I've ordered only a trial sample just to check it, but it was quite a lot. I've got it in the jar from the cream. Right now I use this for the last 2 weeks, and I've got a couple of that, but I think it's from the skincare that I'm using right now for acne treatment, so I'm not sure. I'll be using this for a couple of weeks more, and then probably will be able to tell if it's okay for my skin or not. Although it has very good ingredients list. I will link their site below and you can check it, but I think it's really worth trying. And they've got many different things like foundations, concealers, correctors, shimmer eyeshadows, matte eyeshadows, blushes, veils, highlighters and softening powders. So if you're interested you can check it. So right now I will use this for my skin. It looks, right now I use cosmetics that at least look okay, but they don't harm my skin. So for me right now the most important thing is to treat my skin well than to look good, if you know what I mean. So at the start this foundation looks for me amazing, but after 2 hours it looks a bit cakey. But I don't know, I use this right now because previously I used Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation and it gave me very bad like cystic breakouts over here. So I need to get rid of this first. So hopefully this mineral foundation will help me to do this. So I'm using Zoeva 103 Defined Buffer Brush, and I will just pat foundation on my skin like so. It's too light shade for me, but I don't want to buy another one, as I just want to check if I am able to use this without breaking out. Normally you should swirl it around, but it just accentuates my darker patches. It works okay with Beauty Blender, but I think I get better coverage with this brush. Yeah, I will use it all around except my under eyes, where I will use concealer, a tiny bit here just to cover my blemishes from the sun. Thank you, benzoyl peroxide. Now I will take the concealer brush and use it just where I need more coverage. Now with Zoeva Spot Liner 310, I'm looking into my lashes. Now I will use concealer from RCMA. It's a palette of foundations that can be used as concealers. You can mix it with cream, but I will use it, just mix a couple of these lighter shades with a little bit of peachy tones to use under my eyes, and it's palette number 11. Now with bdellium tools brush number 953, just that one, I will use MAC Skinfinish Mineralize Skinfinish medium dark, and I will use it as my bronzer. Because this nail polish is too much for me. I will use this for the sun. My skin. I'm not actually throwing the brush because I want to get rid of this. Zoeva Face Curl Brush number 112 and Sleek Makeup Contour in the shade Light. I will use just the contour shade. from Avon palette, a blush, this one, pinky one, and Zoeva brush, which is Luxe Crease brush, and I will use it just on the apples of my cheeks. And now I will use Iconic London for highlighting my bone structure, so I will use it with my finger. Well, hello sun. It's snowing all day, so it's nice to see sun finally. Yes, and on top of this, highlighter from Makeup Academy under Undress Your Skin Shimmer Highlighter in shade Iridescent Gold, and just a simple fun brush. And I will use it on top of Iconic highlighter. So, give it a bit. And now Makeup Academy lip liner in a shade COO. All over my lips. Lipstick from company called Golden Rose in a shade 116, which is like frozen rose, and I will use it straight from the bullet. And on top of this I will use gloss from BeYu. It's a pink shimmery gloss in the shade 4. Some more of Scandinavia finishing spray, because I hate this powdery finish. Yeah. Let it dry, and that's it. I like to have my eyes visible, because without anything on them and with lighter makeup I don't feel comfortable. I don't know, I mean, it's okay, but I prefer to have like a stronger eye on even daily basis. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave comments below. Please let me know what other videos would you like to see. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye.